that seawater? Look at this, dude. This is the most disgusting car I've ever touched. Okay, good. I like it.
Cool. I went parallel to this, and then
bring your tape down, follow the info.
Okay.
Straight up, and it's only moving like this. I think it's kind of hard for us.
So we're gonna install the wing, and Liberty Walk gives you pretty nice detailed instructions on how to install everything. But one thing I don't think I've seen in here yet is what the spacing should be like off of the rear bumper for the wing stand. So let's see if they have that here. Just have to put it where it looks good.
Speed and power, dude. Yeah! This guy just put a hole in my freaking hood, Lewis!
Wow, look at that.
Let's see that. Ooh.
So good. Worked out. That's it. Hang up. Fucking scratch this. Hope you. For scratching this stuff.
It looks so big from this angle.
Yeah, it's crazy. We were thinking about the hood pins, right? So we still need buttons just like the front.
Yeah.
And it'll be like, Eddie, make sure that side. Time to do the freaking wing. Wing.
You know what freaking time it is? It's not time to rub one off. It is, though, time to put this wing on this car. And oh my goodness, this thing's dusty and nasty, but Liberty Walk wing time.
Not too more Carlos, dude.
Ooh, it looks like they go on the inside. And
Yeah.
to see if the bolt will work.
No.
What? Oh,
Just to see how
that's about. Yeah, we just got to see how far back we want to go or not.
So a lot of the, I mean, they're all different.
Back bolt is real quick. Come in there. You got it? Yeah. Outside pretty good. I have my phone here with a picture of a Liberty Walk C8. Trying to figure out exactly where the rear wing goes, because they tell you exactly how to do it and they give you a very good diagram. But I think it's also up to your discretion. Do you go 1 inch this way or half an inch that way? You got to kind of figure it out. So we're just looking and browsing. I do know one thing. We want this. Oh yeah, check this out. Made a little drill template here off the bottom of that. We want this to be in a place where the lower bolt can go up and not have to cut into this vertical plane. So it needs to be far enough forward that we just drill a hole right here and go up with the socket. So that's where we're figuring it out. I think that's where we're committed to. I think it needs to go half an inch further forward than this just to be safe. And that's kind of it.
There's your thumbnail.
Yeah, here, let me help square you. Yeah. Ooh, that's a very good position.
It is. The whole 6mm head will fit right there.
And we can fit a socket in there.
Yeah,
maybe you can go back an 1/8 inch, but it's pretty good.
Yeah.
7/8 what? To the hole?
Yeah, to the hole.
Okay. Oh, she's strong.
To make sure that I don't plop the hole in the wrong place.
We got 2 holes. Hopefully they're square. And oh, we need the socket, huh? Thank you. My way. Box.
Yeah.
Hey. Yes. That's better. Okay. And it fits the freaking socket. Remember we were like, yeah, we'll install the wing at Irwindale last year. Hell no. Yeah, right, dude. We do a proper elevated eyeball check here. Wow. It's possible it looks better, and it's, you know what's cool too? It's in that flange is nice and thick in that area. Yeah. We'll just send it through from the bottom and just deep enough to do this. No way is it like that.
All right, about to wang this thing, Luke.
Okay. I feel like you went a little overboard with the tape here.
Yeah, well,
You're traumatized after what you did to the hood
today, so I'm like, oh no!
Oh, let's see.
How can it be? Look how good Matt does it. I'm gonna let you finish.
Gotta be patient, dude. You gotta get all the edges up. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Oh no!
Run, dude.
That's because of you.
Good run, bro. Hey, are we gonna put like a little, we're gonna do like that little foam layer under the wing, like right here?
Yeah.
People do.
I know.
that a
What foam do you use? I was thinking that we need something.
Yeah. Is that a thing?
Yeah. Official race car felt right here. Official. It's from Jay, dude. Jay Black Tracks gave me all the foams in the world.
Oh, that's what they do, right?
Yeah. So I think that one a little too thick. It's gonna be all squished out. This smooth, hidden. Yeah. Yeah, we need to do a razor blade deal here.
Ooh, I got a good one.
Got a fresh boy? Ooh, nice. All right. Got one straight edge, so I better not screw this up. Dude, that's some race car felt right there.
Yeah, dude.
All right.
That's too good for the bottom of your furniture, dude. Race car felt only.
Look at that. Slice her up, dude. Keep your line straight. Don't scratch the bottom. You gotta go from the top. Yeah, right here.
No.
There it is.
Pull it.
Yeah, she's pulled.
It's hard to see. I can't see.
Yeah, angle it like this. Yeah. And then when you get her going.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
This stuff's strong, bro.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Same squad.
Here we go, dude. Your way forward. Come on back. Come on back, man. The real test will be my single trunk shock will hold this thing up. But there's no freaking way that it will. Hang on. Oh, gosh. No way. Not a chance. I need my magnet now.
Did you lose it?
Yeah. Never again. Piece of paper in there.
Oh, shit.
Come on.
You're in the wrong hole, bro.
Yeah. There we go.
And Jack.
Chop Suey? That's a good song. Yes, sir. You probably,
It's on there.
if it's the same transmission that's in the 330,
Pretty sturdy.
it'll be really familiar to you
Pretty sturdy.
because
DM style, dude. Come on. What about this? Backwards.
I think it works.
For sure these need some nice black button heads. But
Yeah. Or like those, not necessarily,
Ooh, the
not NRD, but
yeah.
like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Here, let's see. I got a whole thing.
bunch of them. Actually, this is Prisma, right? This is a Prisma wing, not an NRD wing. Who gets this spot?